Hello guys, today we'll be opening 7 packs, I think it is, on FIFA 14, because apparently my friend told them that they were good, and apparently you get 10 gold players all rare. So yeah, let's get on with the video. Okay, first pack, never good. Come on, this better be someone good. Probably not, but let's see who it is. Come on. Sam. Got someone called Sam. 90 pace. Oh, he can join the club actually. Next pack, maybe someone good. Hopefully. Come on, give me an inform. Come on here. Oh, yes, Alex. Centre attacking mid. Alright, we'll keep him. Yeah, well, guess we'll have to. Healing. Okay guys, I've just put my camera somewhere, like, better so it's not shaking. Third pack, come on. Come on. Come on. Good feeling about this one. Oh, sorry about that, but I got Puyol, who plays for Barcelona. I don't know if he's good. How do I do it? How do I see him? Alright, I'll keep him. Yeah, alright then. Guess I need all of them, don't I? Come on, next pack. If we don't get someone good, this will be very, very bad pack opening. I'm not gonna look. I'm not gonna look. I'm not gonna look. Who did I get? Huddleston. No! Is he good? No. The only reason I thought he was good was because he's from what do you call it? England, and yeah. Why am I not getting any coins? Oh, fine, we'll just put them all in my club then. Come on, second to last pack. This better be a good one. If it's not, I will scream. So far they have been absolutely very bad. And it doesn't make a change. Right wing. Okay, we'll keep him. Anyone else? Oh, alright. Guess we're putting it in my club. Right guys, this is the last pack. If I don't get anyone good in this pack, this has just been a waste of time. I better get someone good. If I don't get anyone good. Oh, Jekko! Well, I've had him before, he's not the best. Well, actually, yeah, I'll keep him. Pellegrini? Quick sell. Yeah! Well, that was, well, weren't the best pack opening. I got about 3 good players. Bye!